guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and in today's video I am going to share this smoky eyeliner makeup tutorial. This is so Kareena Kapoor Khan inspired, and yeah, she often wears this kind of makeup, this kind of eye makeup. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the video. I have already done my base. I will link it in the I button if you guys are interested. So I'm starting with my eye makeup. So I'm taking a gel liner here, and with the eyeliner brush I'm applying it onto my upper lash line. And you don't need to be precise here because we are going to smudge it out anyways. So yeah. Now I am taking a black eyeshadow from the palette, and with the smudger brush I am going to smoke it out like so. Making sure that it stays closest to my lash line. And now I got my base on for the smoky eyeliner. So what I will do is I will apply the normal wing liner or normal liner, whatever you like, you can draw. So I'm drawing a normal liner closest to my lash line. This time I have to be little precise because I want it to be little prominent and clean. So yeah. Taking a same gel liner into my lower lash line, I am applying it all over my lash line, and then I will smoke it out with the same black eyeshadow like you can see in the video. And this time I am being little precise. I have taken a little denser eyeliner brush and I am smoking it out. Now finally I am applying a mascara. I will apply 2 coats here. You can apply falsies, but this eye makeup look looks amazing without falsies even. So I am not going to apply any falsies here. And for the lips, I wanted little peachy corally nude shade. So I don't have the exact shade, but I am going to mix a few lip colors to get that perfect peachy and corally nude shade. So first I have applied a pinkish shade as a tint, and then I am applying a little peachy nude shade, but it was still loud. So I am going to mix little bit of brown in it, and voila! This is the perfect nude, corally nude shade which I wanted for my lips and for this look. So yeah. And I'm blending it out with my fingers to make sure that it looks like my lips but better, kind of a shade. So yeah. So this is the final finished look. Let me know if you like this video or not, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and join this fam. And yeah, I will see you all guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.